Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Vagabond. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. So today I'll be unboxing the Casio G-Shock 270. I just got this G-Shock 270 model today and I've been waiting for a long time to unbox this. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So guys, here is the G-Shock 270 as you can see, and here is the model number. If you want to search it in Amazon or Flipkart, you can get it by this model number also, GA-100, and so this is it, and this would cost you around 7,295 as you can see. So this is overall the look of the box and how it feels. So now we are just going to remove the outer cover and see what's inside. Okay, so now with the outer cover gone, we have the actual box, and within this we have a treasured G70. So it's also nothing, just a simple box, and it's not a metal box or any kind of plastic box. It's just a regular gift box made of paper, and that's it. So now this is the warranty cards that we are going to get, and this has 2 years of national warranty and then 2 years of international warranty. So this is the national warranty card, and then we have the international warranty card. So you just don't need any kind of bill or anything. All you need is the warranty card, and that's it. You can get it serviced from anywhere in the world or anywhere in your country without any problem. So these are the warranty cards, and now let's see what do we have inside the box. Okay, so these are the rules and the regulations that you get along with the warranty card, and this is majorly for warranty card. As you can see, international warranty resolutions. So you can go through this if you want. As for the video, and here we have the instruction manual, the user guide. It tells you step by step what to do and what not to do, and you can find this in various languages. English is there, you can find it all with some other languages also, so not much of a problem. So now let us come to the actual deal, the Casio G-Shock 270. I was pretty lucky to get a very special and rare color which you generally don't find that easily. So let's open it and let me show you. So this is the color. So now this is Casio G-Shock 270, and the best thing about this model that I like is this model comes in total. You'll have other variations and other variants colors, but this one specifically comes in entirely black, matte black finish. So the entire watch is black, you can see, except this minutes and the hour hand, and also the second hand. So other than that, the dials inside, the digital dials and everything, except the digital figures out there, the rest of the dial is black. And the finish of this strap, you can see it's very smooth and it's totally matte black. So this is a very unique design and a very unique color that you could find, and I was very lucky to find such a rare color out there. So you can even see the G-Shock written in black. So everything out here is entirely black, and it's something that people who love the black color would really dig this. So now coming to the functionalities of this watch, as you see here that we have the day and the seconds here, and here we have the month and the date. So we have this is the the minutes hand and the hours hand. So now apart from this, here this one gives you the light. So you press this for a matter of second and you will have the light on. Let me just show you how it's done. So now you can just check out the light. This is the light feature that we have. So there is also a feature out here where you can automatically set this light to switch on the basis of your movement of the wrist. Whenever you put your wrist up and try to see the time, it senses that movement and switches on this light. So we can do that, and just to do that you'll have to hold this light for a few seconds. You see that this light is on, so that will signal that whenever you put your wrist up, the light will glow automatically, like you can see here. So now that we have set the light to switch on automatically on the movement of your wrist, so let's just try to mimic the movement of our wrist while we try to watch the time. So let's just put this take this watch a little bit up and make a movement so it senses it. So you can see there that as I take this watch up, it senses the movement and the light glows. So that is a cool thing in this watch that I have come across. So among the other features that this watch gives you are at first it comes the stopwatch, and this is how the stopwatch looks like. You start by pressing this particular button and then stop by pressing this button, and you have your stopwatch split second here, and now you can reset it using this button. So now after the stopwatch we have the timer. Same, you can press this button and start your timer, and then also if you want you can reset it back using the same button that you used for resetting the stopwatch also. So it says you press it stop and there you reset it, and now you have the wall time. So this is the UTC time that you can see, and these are the alarms. You have alarms out here, so 5 alarms you can set at a time, and this is alarm 1 and this 2, and then comes 3, and then you have 4, and then you have 5. So these are the 5 alarms that you can set at a time together, and it's pretty easy using this pretty particular functions and all. So now after this, if you want to like set your date and time, then the thing that you have to do is very simple. If you want to just you'll have to just set your time zone, and to set your time zone you'll have to press this particular button, and you just press it hard for like 3 seconds and like that, and now you have your time zone out here. You can see it's Delhi, and then you can change it, like go back, and you have various Bangkok, and you can Singapore. You can also go forward and backward, so there's no problem. Like if you skip Bangkok, so you don't have to go around once again, so you can just get back there to Bangkok. So I'll get back to Delhi, or maybe let's set a new region out here. For example, maybe I'll set Paris. So let's set Paris, and once you're done you can just go ahead and press this button and the clocks will adjust automatically. So this looks very cool to me, as a clocks adjust the time according to the time zone. Now there is also another small change that you can do if you want to. That is, as you see that here we have the date and the month. If you want, you can change it to the time. So this is according to Paris time. It's 7:11 there in Paris, so that is what you can see here, and the clock's hand I've also adjusted to it, so you can also get back to the date and time thing back. And I hope you like this watch, and if you want, you can go ahead. I am sure that this will be a good purchase. If you're thinking of getting yourself a G-Shock within a, you know, budget a G-Shock, then please go ahead for this design. And also check out if you can get this matte black design. This is one of the most rarest and the coolest designs and the colors that I've seen in G-Shock watches. So this will not cost you a lot. This will just cost you around 7,295, as I told you earlier. So that is like the basic minimum. You also have Casio G-Shock even lesser than that, but those will be not those will be just a digital Casio watches. But if you want an analog one, something like this, then this is the minimum that you have to come down to. So if you are really looking ahead to buy a Casio G-Shock with an analog design and also something like this, like a matte black design, please go for it. This is a sure buy and a good purchase, I must tell. So I hope you like this video, and please do comment, and if you have any kind of question, please do let me know, and take care. Goodbye.